Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Code with Amjad. So in last session we have understood the skills required to develop an application and Java introduction. So these are the topics we have covered in the last session. So in this session I am going to teach you why Java when we have C and C++, how Java achieve platform independence, download and installation of JDK software using command prompt. We will check which version of Java we are going to use. So these are the topics we are going to discuss in this session. So let's understand why Java when we have C and C++. So the C and C++ are platform dependent programming language, or we can call it as compiled programming language. Let's understand with the below scenario. Here the developer written source code of C language with the extension .c, which can understandable to human but not machine, because machine can understand zeros and ones. Let's assume the developer written this source code in Windows operating system in C language. So to convert this C language code to the zeros and ones, we required one software, that is compiler software, which take the source code and convert into zeros and ones. So here is the C compiler whose platform is Windows operating system. Now this operating Windows, so this software will take the source code and generate the object code with the extension .obj. Now we got the obj file. This obj file contains machine language code of current operating system. After getting this obj file, internally OS will do some process and generate the executable file with .exe. So this, if we run this exe file, we get the output. Every time we run this exe file, we get the same output. If I copy this file to the same operating system of Windows, will going to execute? Yes, because the machine language of Windows to Windows are same. But if I copy this file to the Linux operating system, will it is going to execute? No. Here it is no. Here I am copying this to this. It will not going to execute, because the machine language of one operating system is different from another operating system. So this is the reason why C and C++ are platform dependent programming language. The source code can be platform independent, but the object code is not platform independent. If you have any doubt on this topic, just comment below. Now let's move to the how Java achieve platform independency. So the Java achieve platform independency by developing new compiler, new bytecode formatter and JVM. Now let's understand with the below scenario. This is the Java source code written by the developer with the extension .java. Now to convert this source code to the bytecode, we required compiler software. So Java has given a compiler software Java C. Now this compiler is responsible to take this .java file, source code file, and convert into the bytecode with the extension .class. Now this file contains the bytecode. But in C++ we have seen that the C compiler directly generates the current OS machine language code, which is platform dependent. But here in Java, the compiler will take the source code and convert into the bytecode. The complete magic lies in this bytecode, because this file has instruction that can be executed by JVM. Now JVM is responsible to take this .class file and generate the OS specific machine language code to execute and display the output. Now I am taking the same dot class file in other operating system, because the dot class file is the platform independent and JVM is a platform dependent. So every OS we have compatible JVM which understand the bytecode format and generate the operating system specific machine language code to execute and generate the output. This is how Java achieves platform independency. If you have any doubt, comment below. Now let's download and install the JDK software. So here are the steps to download the JDK software. The step 1, open Chrome browser. Step 2 is search for JDK22 download, and the step 3 is open first link Java downloads Oracle India. Now let's open the Chrome browser and search for JDK22 download. So here is the JDK22 download. So here is the Java downloads Oracle India. Just click on that. So we will enter into one page. So we have landed to the one page. Now next, let's see the next steps. So after entering into the page, search for Windows related files like zip, exe, msi. After that, search for zip file and click on that link to download. Now open the Chrome browser. Now search for Windows. So here are the Linux OS, Mac OS and Windows. So here are the Linux related file. So I am using Windows operating system, so I will go with the Windows. So here are the three files: zip, exe, msi. So I prefer to use zip file, so I will click on this link to download. So it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded. Now see next steps. After downloading, go to the downloads folder and extract that zip file and copy that extracted folder and place it into the C drive. Now let's go to the download folder. So here is the download folder. Now so here is the downloaded file. Just right click on that. Now extract that file with the WinRAR software. So here is the WinRAR. Now extract to, right click, WinRAR, extract. So it will start extracting. After extracting, just open that folder and copy that JDK22. So here got extracted. Open this folder. Just copy this folder and go to C drive. So C drive and paste it here. So we have downloaded, we have extracted that file and copy that file to the C drive. Now let's see the next steps. Now let's see which version of Java we are using with the command prompt. Now open the command prompt, cmd. So we have opened the command prompt. So to see the version, we have a command java -version. So java space -version. Just enter. Oh, so we got the error. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or both batch file. So we have just downloaded the JDK software, but we have not set the environment for that. Now let's set up the environment for that. Just type edit environment setup, env environment setup. Just click edit the environment setup. Now open the environment variables. Here is the system variables. Go here. Now search for the path. Here is the path. Just click on edit. Now go to the C drive, JDK22 download. Just click on that. Just click on bin file. Now just copy this path. Copy this path and go to the environment variables. Now click on new and paste the path here. So we have done with this. Now just move it up. So just taking up. Now click on OK. Okay, okay. So we have done the environment setup. Now again open command prompt. Now check the version. So here is the command java space hyphen version. Now click enter. So the environment has setup has done. So here is the Java version 22.0.1, which was released on 16th April 2024. So this is the release date. So we have done with the JDK 22 download and installation setup. So if you have any comments related to this three topic we have discussed in this session, just comment below. So in the next session we are going to understand JDK, what JDK, JRE and JVM, and we are going to develop one small program. Then we will download Edit Plus software to write our source code to compile and execute. So let's meet in next session. Bye bye.